Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rennie. So today we're going to be talking about Pondy X. Okay, as you guys already know that they did the redenomination, and what I want to talk about here for the most part is that you know that I made a price prediction on Pondy X, and I see that we are not yet reaching to our goal. But the thing there is that I think Pondy X needs some time, but eventually or definitely is going to hit to our price target. So let's be very calm and make sure that we are not having double mind, because sometimes like some days can be like that, but the most important thing is that is going to hit to that price target. So what I want you guys to do for the most part, if you are holding Pond X right now, try to make sure that you are having patience, because they still have a lot of projects. Okay, you still have a lot of events coming up. Okay, so you can see they have plenty events here. Okay, I want you guys to be very patient. This website I am in right now is called Coin Market Cow. So you can go there and check most of their you can check most of their upcoming event. But I'm gonna be talking about most of their event. Okay, so there is 100% possibility that Pondy X is going to be hitting to that price target. So let's have it in mind that no matter what, we are going to be reaching to that target. So no matter what, because I know that right now most of us we are sitting in losses, and this is a normal phenomenon. Okay, so let's just be calm and make sure that we don't start losing our mind, because everything is going to be okay. Some days are like that. You have to make sure you accept. You have to make sure you replace the word failure, or yes, failure, with the word learning, because at this moment we are just learning, and this is just a new experience. Okay, so but the only thing I want you guys to have in mind is that the X is still the king. Okay, no matter what. Okay, they must see that price target. So it has a great potential, and in no time soonest we are going to be seeing everything. So let's make sure that we are still patient enough, because if you are not patient enough, you are not going to be making a lot. So another thing I would just want to talk about on the X project. Okay, so on 15th of April they are going to be doing the Pondy X token removal. Okay, Pondy X, Pondy. I'm just trying to read this from my phone. Okay, so Pondy X is going to announce the token removal amount in the first week of April and execute it in the second one. So they are not yet through with what they are doing. So we are going to be calm and make sure that we are still following them. As you guys already know, that Pondy X is not a shitty coin. Okay, it's a coin that has a great potential that can make you massive amount of money if you can be very patient. So I'm not regretting anything about that. So I'm very happy to be a Pondy X holder, and I'm a big fan of Pondy X. So I'll keep telling you guys to be very patient, but we are gonna be hitting our price target. As you guys already know that with time everything will be fine. You guys already know that we as I think yesterday, or since 2 days now, we've been experiencing a market correction or a little crash in the market. So let's just be calm, everything will be fine. So their second project, which is going to be taking place on June 30th, is all about I'm gonna just wait. I am trying to open this right now. Okay, so the new project is gonna be on 30th of June 2021. So and it's gonna be Africa XPOS. Okay, SPOS network. Okay, they are going to set up more SPOS distribution network in Africa. Okay, so during the Q2 2021. So there are a lot of things you guys need to know about, which I'm gonna be making another video on. But I'm trying to go out right now. But I want to just make this video to make sure that you guys are still on point. You guys are still updated. So make sure you are not losing your mind. No matter what, do not just sell off your Pondy X. Remember, no matter what, we are going to reach our price target with time. Everything is gonna be okay. So I'm making this video early in the morning here. The time here is around 7 in the morning. So make sure you are not losing your mind. Everything will be okay. So I'm gonna be making another video again, so you can be seeing my screen. I can tell you more about everything, every other thing that you need to know about their upcoming event. So I believe with this, we can experience a an increase in the in Pondi X for years. So another thing is that the this particular events which they are trying to yeah, which is coming up soon. Okay, this particular one now is going to make Pondi X to increase in price, and our price target, we are going to hit it. Okay, so we are going to reach there, and it's a must. Okay, so make sure you are very very focused. If I come again, I'm going to be uploading the video where you guys will be seeing my screen, so I can tell you more about the other things that you need to know, because we have plenty of good news there that you need to kind of like know, so you don't give up. So there are plenty of good news that I need to show you guys, and we can talk about that. So make sure you stay patient, be patient, and make sure, if you are new here, try to make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of things, and I believe with that you can always be happy, and make sure you are still having that growth mindset, because without that growth mindset you cannot be able to get to where you want to be. So that's just what I want to tell you guys. So make sure you are not giving up. Okay, make sure you still have that price target in your mind, and we are going to reach that price target. Okay, and it's a must. Okay, so don't just give up on that price target and feel that maybe we are just lost and maybe we are just doomed. No, so have it in mind that with time everything is going to be taking place, and it's going to be soonest. So no matter what is happening, remember that we are going to hit that price target, and remember that they are not yet through with what they are doing. I mean the coin redenomination, because they are still because based on what I told you guys, they are still going to do the Pondi X token removal. They have not done that. They are going to be doing that on 15th of April this year. So have it in mind that they are not through yet, and I want you guys to also have the faith. Make sure you have that faith in your mind. Make sure you have that faith inside you to be focused and have that growth mindset. We are going to hit that price target, and immediately we hit that price target, and I'm still going to make a video to make sure that I inform you guys. So make sure you are very focused. I'm trying to go out right now because I have some things I need to settle outside right now. So make sure you are very very focused, and I'm gonna make another video where I will show you my screen, so we can talk about more about their project, about their upcoming event, which you need to know about. So because their upcoming event is going to make Pondi X price to increase massively, and you don't want to miss this. So make sure you subscribe and wait for me if you are new on here on this channel. But if you are a returning subscriber, I must thank you again. So make sure that you are focused, and do not give up on this. Okay, because we are all going to be making it big. Okay, so see you again.